Hello, Jackson family. So today we are going to be looking at and reviewing our habit 2, begin with the end in mind. So the important part of this is to have a plan, making plans in advance and setting goals for yourself, not procrastinating and doing meaningful and good work. A quote from Dr. Stephen R. Covey himself is, "Your most important work is always ahead of you and never behind." You want to make sure your goals are set for the future and not in the past, and make sure that you can acquire them on your way up to the top of your goals. You want to be able to focus time and energy on things that you can control. If it's something that is out of your reach, then it's not something that is good to focus yourself on. Focus on the things that you know you can achieve. Beginning with the end in mind means to begin each day, task, or project with a clear vision of your desired direction and destination, and then continue by flexing your proactive muscles to make things happen. Now, how can you, as students, apply Habit 2 into your daily lives? One of the best ways to incorporate Habit 2 into your life is to develop a personal mission statement. This focuses on what you want to be or do. It is your plan for your success in your daily lives. It reaffirms who you are, puts your goals in focus, and moves your ideas into the real world. Your mission statement makes you the leader of your own life. You create your own destiny and secure the future that you envision. Thank you for watching and learning more about our Habit 2, beginning with the end in mind.